Hello to my dear beloved student. Here I am going to show you how making four-way cross flange with the same diameter. This cross flange, as you see it, is the same diameter with the dimension on it. This dimension will be explained later. Now as you see, this flange has been made with AutoCAD. So we go to AutoCAD area. Now go to the layers and we choose the line of asleep. Now we go to the southeast isometric. We choose a circle with a radius of 15. Make it a little bigger, then go to extruded, go to the plan, and we see the cylinder height is 56. Go to extruded and make the height of this cylinder 56. Now go copy this cylinder and bring it over here, and we make exit. Now we go to the front view. We make a rotation of this cylinder horizontal. Now we go to southeast isometric again. Now we find the line and make a vertical cylinder, a line of 28, half of this height of this cylinder. Now again we make a line of 28 on the horizontal cylinder. We go out, then we move this horizontal cylinder from this point to the center of this cylinder. Now we raise these two lines, and then we go for sure for southeast isometric. Then we go to array, create these cylinders. We go to union, make these two cylinder union. Now go to the shell, choose this one and add and remove. So we choose two surface, we rotate it to make it the other two faces. Exit, and we choose these two faces. Enter, and we give a 1 millimeter of shell size. Now go to southeast isometric. As you see, these two cross has been made. So we make UCS, make it over here to attach it. So we're going to make the head of this flange, this one, with the diameter, inside diameter 14 and outside 20 and thickness of 2 and the whole of radius of 2. Now we go to the circle, make a circle of 14, radius 14, enter. Again we make a circle of radius 20. Make a line, make this line over here, and choose the circle put in the middle of this line and give a radius of circle 2. Now we erase this line. We go to polar array and choose this one, make it in the center of the circle and make this 12. Now we go to home and make a press pull. Press pull is put it here and now make a thickness of 2 millimeter. Now we go to move this head of flange and transfer to here. Now we go to mirror and make this one mirror from the vertical line. We go out, so these two head flange has been made. Southeast isometric, then go to copy and move this one here. We go out. Now we try to raise this one. Now we're going to rotate this head flange horizontal. So go to rotate and rotate from center to horizontal, as you see. Now this is made. So we move this one to the head top of cylinder, to the center of this cylinder. Now it has been made. Now we go to front view. Go to mirror and make this one to the line of horizontal. Now this cross flange has been made, so we must union the head. So we make all of union. So this has been made. Now we go to coloring. Color face. Enter. Red. Go to, now we go to make a little bigger. Then we can choose one by one. Do such a things that can choose it easily. Make it a bigger, then choose easily. Enter. Now go to the yellow. Select yellow color. Exit and exit. Now you student make others color along with you. Now we go attach the UCS to here because we're going to make a dimension. Now we must rotate this UCS from 1 Y. So as you see, again we must rotate it. Rotate to X-axis. Now it's okay. So we transfer UCS to the center of this circle. Now we go to radius. You see, it's easy. This is R20. Again, circle of enter is R14. Then this hole is 2, R2. Then go to the front view. Now select dimension, linear. Make it bigger. Choose that point. From here to here is the height of cylinder, which is 56 millimeter. Now go to linear again and select this thickness, which is 2 millimeter. Now we go to southeast isometric. Now we must move this dimension here such a thing that is close to the thickness of that head of flange. This is okay. The other one, the height of cylinder must move, transfer from here to here. It's a little bit difficult. Not try such a things that array attach that yellow flange. You see, this is okay. This is okay. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.